In today's video, we are going to talk about type of I-797 Notice of Action you received after filing I-130. If you are new to this channel, my name is Sliman and I make videos for a family-based immigration to simplify the immigration process and give you a confidence to go through your immigration journey by yourself. First of all, I am not an immigration attorney. I'm here to help you based on the information you have from USCIS website. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, share for the future upload, give us a big like so YouTube can share the video with more people. So if you're ready, let's get started. Once you file I-130 and you submit it online or by a paper version, after a couple of weeks, you will receive I-797C Notice of Action. And the receipt type is going to be, and the notice type is going to be receipt, as you can see in this one right here. This is mine from 2022. The only things will be different is just the fee. Application or petition fee now is $675 by if you file by a paper version. As you can see, the case type is going to be I-130 petition for illegal relative, and the notice date, the priority date, and the receipt number. This is the first thing you receive after submitting your I-130 online or by a paper version. Basically, they are telling you we received your petition. If you file your form online, and this receipt right here will be sent to this address right here in your petition. If you remember, when you file I-130, the mailing address, this is where they're gonna send I-797C. If you give them a wrong address right here, or you moved and you did not change address with USCIS, you will go to this address right here. Make sure if you moved, change the address with USCIS. If you file I-130 online, the I-797C receipt notice will be found under documents. If you go under documents, you will see it right here, receipt notice. It is the same. If you click on it, it's gonna open like this one right here. It's just gonna be digital instead. That's the difference. So the good things about online, you will know, this one is faster. Like by mail, you will receive it probably 9 to 10 weeks. Online, you will receive it within 3 to 4 weeks. As you can see online, it's very fast when it comes to receiving mails from USCIS. So USCIS will assign a unique 13-character case number. This is the receipt number. And the first 3 characters of your case receipt number depend on which of USCIS service centers that process your case. For example, if your case is at California Service Center, the receipt number will begin with WAC. If your case at Nebraska Service Center, it will begin with LIN. If your case at Texas Service Center, it will begin with SRC. If your case is at Vermont Service Center, the receipt number will begin with EAC. If your case at National Benefit Center, it will begin with MSC or NBC. For Potomac Service Center, the receipt number will begin with YSC. If USCIS processes your application online, your receipt number will begin with IOE number. For people file the petition online, I-130 line, your receipt number will begin with IOE. However, Even if you file your petition by a paper version, it happens to me. Once you send your petition to USCIS and USCIS decided to run your application online, they will send you another I-797C Notice of Action, and the receipt type is going to be just USCIS account access. They will process your case online and they're going to send you a notice type as USCIS account access notice. And they're going to give you online access code and they give you instruction on how to log in to your account. And as you can see, they already assigned a USCIS online account for you. Yeah, even you did not file your petition online, but USCIS decided to process your case online. So they will send you this I-797C as a notice type, USCIS account access with online access code. And then you create your password and you log into your account. Now, let's go to I-797 Notice of Action. Now, once your petition is approved, you will receive I-797 Notice of Action. People call it Notice of Action 2. Some people just they call it I-797 Notice of Action. And the receipt number type is going to be approved notice. Means they approved your petition. And as you can see, the beneficiary here, it's already assigned a number. This is for my spouse. As you can see, she already has a number. This A number, that's the one is going to go to your green card. As you can see, he has the same receipt number, received date, priority date, same priority date from first receipt. Notice date is going to be the same. And the case type is going to be I-130 petition for alien relative. So one thing I want to mention right here, it is very, very important because a lot of people missed it. Make sure when you receive your I-797 approval notice, make sure you read at the bottom. What happens sometimes, they approve your petition, then they will ask you to file I-824 application for action on approved application or petition to request USCIS to move your petition to NVC. Why? Because you made a mistake on I-130. Instead of filling 61A and 61B, the consular processing, processing, you did adjustment to status. In this case, USCIS will ask you to file Form I-824 to move your application to NVC for processing. Yeah, it is costly. It costs money. I think 625 or 675. I don't remember the cost of I-824, but it is costly. Make sure when you file I-824, I'm sorry, make sure when you file I-130, make sure you selected the right one. And all my videos, and I have that, I mentioned that on all my videos. Make sure you choose the right option. And the notice action will be sent as well to your to be sent to your mailing address you provided on I-130 if you file your petition by paper. If you file online, it will be posted on your line account right here. I don't have one, but it will be posted under document as well, and it's going to be approval notice. And of course, that's sent. Now, this is I-797C. That's the first I-797C you received. Basically telling you that we received your case, nothing else. It does not tell you anything else. Because they tell you we received your case, they assign the priority date and the receipt number and notice date. That's all. And the fee they processed. The fee now is 675 for a paper version and 625 for online. This is approval notice. As I mentioned, make sure you read at the bottom right here. If you see this one right here, it's good. They approved it. They sent it to Department of State with no problems. But the other one I showed you just a while ago, they asked that person to file I-84 because he or she made a mistake on I-130. Instead of doing consular processing, he filed the fill for adjustments of status. So this is the end of this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Thank you, and see you next video.